Hello everyone, welcome to Module 2 of Microsoft Word application. I am using Microsoft Word on MacBook Air, and last week we learned how to open a document, to change the font, to change the style, color, and how to save a document. This week we're going to learn how to insert a picture or clip art, make a header and a footer, insert page numbers, and make a page border. So first we're going to insert a picture. So you'll see that my document, I have it open here, and I am in the home setting. I'm going to go over to where it says insert. My options for insert, I have a text box, a shape, or picture. I'm going to go down to picture, and I have four choices: photo browser, picture from file, clip art browser, or clip art gallery. I'm going to pick a picture from file. I have a picture on here that I have saved on my desktop. Sometimes that's the easiest way to save pictures so you can find it quickly. And here's my picture. I'm going to insert it. So this is a picture I took of where I am living. And I just click on the outside of it and it is now saved in there. The nice thing about pictures is there's all sorts of things that I can do with this picture if I click on it. I can go to format the picture and I have many different options here. I can do corrections to the picture, recolor it, put a filter on, all sorts of fun things you can do with it. I can make a nice little border around it. I have special effects that I can do. There's all sorts of things. Especially when you're working with text, I can wrap the text around it. I can position it in a certain place. So many things to do when you have pictures. So I'm going to keep it fairly simple for today. I'm just going to insert the picture. All right. The next thing I'd like to do is show you what a header is. So I'm actually going to scroll down a little bit here. And I'm going to show you, I have two pages here going. And I want to insert a header. I'm going to go to Document Elements. And in Document Elements, there's all sorts of things. There's Table of Contents. But over here it says Header and Footers. A header is something that runs at the top of your document all the way through every single page. I'm going to do a basic text and I'm going to put something on the top here. And what I would like to add to the top of the text is, this is where I'm going to put my name. So your name goes here. And these other ones, if I wanted to have different titles, I could add them. You'll notice that this is going to go on for each page that I have. It's going to be at the very, very top. I'm just going to hit close and I'm done that. So now you'll notice it's kind of a little bit lighter than the rest. It's going to be on every single page. When you're doing documents, you want to have your name on your page, every page, so you don't lose any of the pages. The next thing we're going to add is a footer. Again, you're going to go up to where it says header and footers, and you're going to click footer. I'm just going to do a basic footer. There's all different kinds that you can choose from. We're going to go with a basic footer. Now a footer, just with the way it sounds, is at the bottom of the page. It's the foot of the page. And I'm going to put in here MS Word applications. And I'm going to take away this text here that I do not need. And this text here I do not need. And I'm going to hit close. So now you're going to notice at the bottom of each page, it's going to have my footer. And generally a footer is put on there if you're wanting to make note of some information that you wrote. Maybe describe something or explain a word. The next thing that I'd like you to do is we're going to add a page number. So we're going to have a page number. Again, header and footers, you'll see it right there. It says page numbers. Click on page numbers. It says you can put the bottom of your page, you can put a page number, or at the top of your page. We're going to leave it at the bottom. I want to have it on the left side of the page, so I'm going to move it to the left side of the page. And I'm going to put it's going to have a page number on both pages. Show it on the first page. I'm going to hit OK. So now you'll see it says page 1 down here, page 2 here. And that'll run through on all your documents. The next thing that I'd like to show you is how to make a border. We're going to go to Layout. And within the layout, you're going to see Page Background. And there's borders. Now there's all kind of borders that you can have. Box, shadows, 3D, and you can even customize. We're going to just do a box one. And we're going to make it a little bit thicker so you can really see it when we put it out. And we're going to put it on the whole document. And you'll see there's now my header and my footer are all nicely in this box. It just kind of jazzes it up a little bit. Next week, when we do it, we're going to have another Word opportunity to learn, another module. We're going to learn some more about document elements. We're going to learn a little bit about word art, so text box. We're going to do some work with tables, smart art, and how to review our work and make changes, and even how to make little sticky notes on your work. So we make sure that you do the quiz on the next slide, and make sure you do the document requirements and email it in when you're finished. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next week.